Good morning, everybody. Today we talk about NTSE, National Talent Search Examination. The examination which is going to cater to the 10th appearing students. Suppose anybody is giving the exam in 2021, he or she can appear in the exam in the year of 2020, that is October, November. There are two papers basically. One is MET, another is SAT. MET is mental aptitude test. It consists of 100 questions and 100 marks. The best thing about MET is that it consists of all the reasoning that you're going to face in your life, whether it is bank PO, SSC, CLAT, hotel management, CSAT, that is IS, the blood relation, the direction, the coding, decoding, the Venn diagram, the syllogism, the calendar, clocks, all the topics are same. So it's a really big exposure and a great opportunity for kids to come up and face this mental aptitude. And with my experience of being a mental aptitude teacher, I have seen that this people enjoy as compared to SAT, because SAT has lot many subjects, lot many topics. MET, if a candidate does seriously in 15 to 20 days, can cover up 90% marks. SAT consists of maths, physics, chemistry, bio, social studies, that is history, geography and civics. In this, all the syllabus basically covered is 8th, 9th, 10th. The maths topics are geometry, algebra, trigonometry, mensuration and arithmetic. There are approximately 22 topics, subtopics I would say, from these four topics which are covered. The physics, chemistry, bio are basically 8, 9, 10th. The paper is MCQ based. In this, 4 options are given and we candidates are able to choose them. This is round 1. Round 1, basically 4 to 5,000 candidates are selected from 10 to 15 lakh candidates that appear. Round 2 is held somewhere in the month of May after the board exams. In this, there is only the paper 2, the SAT. The first round also consists of 200 marks, 100 marks SAT, 100 marks MET, where the round 2 is totally SAT. Now I talk about why NTSE, why people should attempt as NTSE. It's a great platform for beginners to come up and face the syllabus. These syllabus can be covered in IS, PCS, bank. So it's a great opportunity to face something of the same level in class 10th. And certainly it is advantage also to that in boards people will be able to appear this and prepare hard. MCQ based time management. The most important thing, again, the paper is MCQ with a limited time. So it's a great opportunity that the time management factors are also learned by the student at this age, where in a limited space provided, the questions are to be solved. In the paper 2 again, after only 4 to 5,000 candidates are cleared, finally around 1,000 candidates all over India clear NTSE. The results are declared on the basis of different states. Every states are going to declare the results, because the rule is that a limited number of seats, scholarship will be provided to the students from different states. The scholarship starts from class 11, 12th up to this graduation. It's a 5-year program, 5-year scholarship. 11, 12th is at the moment around 1250 per month, and whereas in graduation it is 2000 per month. That means more or less the tuition fees for next 5 years can be covered by the student on qualifying this exam. The opportunity to come and face the real world competition is also, because as you are going to give the board exam, the concept will be somewhat it will be clear, but here it tells that you will come and face it in a MCQ way, where in a limited space provided in the question paper you will have to solve it. The amount provided will be on a monthly basis, and the candidates can really, and it's a big landmark in the life of a student in the class 10. NTSC scholars are very rare, and it is, I would say, real talent for a student to come up and clear this exam at this early age. A certification at this certainly will give them higher landmarks in future. Maybe it helps them to qualify IIT, medical, IAS, bank, SSC. This is a real privilege. So anybody who is in class 9th, I would say, should start preparing rather than waiting for them to go to class 10th, because syllabus, whatever you have studied in 8 is also part of the syllabus. So earlier you start, the better. And as you know, the mental ability chapters can be done even earlier. So it's a real privilege and real opportunity for the kids appearing for class 10th to come up and face this exam and be successful. I hope all of you have enjoyed this and got the information that you need got the information that is required for this. Thank you.